30-meter high rock formations just out of a vast emerald-colored bay against a backdrop of densely forested hills. Preserved since 1976, Los Haitises, which translates as highlands in Taino, it consists of a limestone karst plateau with colonial hills, sinkholes and caverns, and there is a large area of mangrove forest on the coast. It's home to rainforests, mangroves of varying species, over 200 species of birds. It's a key bird nesting site and sanctuary. Multiple caves and some of the highest numbers of Taino petroglyphs and pictographs in the country. Manatees and dolphins also visit the park's waters regularly. The most popular cave stops on a boat excursion. Los Haitises have distinctive characteristics and they are called La Cueva de la Línea and La Cueva de la Arena. The Taino were known to use caves for rituals and to protect themselves against hurricanes or other imminent danger. The chambers reveal pictographs and petroglyphs that are thousands of years old. Each cave is easily accessed via footbridges and clear pathways. The next trip from Las Terrenas is Lemon Waterfall. The waterfall is about 40 meters tall and falls into a nice natural pool of cold waters below. To access there, you have to hike about 5 miles that you can do on a horse or by foot. Las Terrenas also offers plenty of beaches where you can go and do snorkeling, and here is an example. Welcome to the 27 waterfalls of Rio Damajagua, but depending on the rainy season, you only can do 12. Here was our experience.